Hi, I'm Ken. This is my TimberTech story. I'm a professional golfer. Been doing it for 30 years. We're down here in Stuart, Florida at my home. Everyone's watched this dock go in and they really enjoyed the product. Living in a coastal environment, you definitely want something that's very durable. And when we first moved in, we had a concrete dock. And obviously the concrete's so slippery, it's hard to maintain, it's always getting dirty. With this product, it holds up unbelievable. The TimberTech decking has just really made a big asset for our house and our home. With the advanced PVC decking, it's a lot cooler to walk on. You know, we're always barefoot on the dock. You don't have to worry about slipping. You don't have to worry about something really hot. It's just so comfortable to walk on. The coastline color really matched our home. It worked with our outdoor furniture. It just fit in just perfectly with the color. We have an outdoor kitchen as well, do a lot of cooking. The decking out there was really deteriorating. It's wood. And I said, why don't we just put this over here as well? And it's gonna be clean, dependable, and classy. Fishing and boating is a big part of my life. You know, I play golf for 30 weeks out of the year, and I'm on the water the rest of the time when I come home. That's a beautiful thing with the TimberTech dock. It's a great spot for a morning coffee and an evening cocktail and just hang out there and watch the sunset. TimberTech, it's everything wood should be for docks.